No feedback row exists yet, so target medium is unknown. I am on the daily game UI with the search dropdown open, and a cookie banner is covering the bottom area. I will accept cookies, ensure the intended first result The Godfather is selected from the dropdown, and then click the guess button to register the first guess quickly. Type card is red for the guess The Godfather, which is a movie, so target medium equals TV. Year is farther, and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1972. Rating is within 0.5 with an up arrow, so the target rating is slightly higher than 9.2. Overlap shown, no green genre pills, no highlighted actors, and no highlighted directors, so crime and drama are not confirmed. Overlaps in Marlon Brando, Al Pacino, James Caan, and Francis Ford Coppola are not on the target. Constraints: the answer is a TV series released after 1972 with IMDb rating above 9.2 and very likely above 9.2 but within 0.5, and it should not rely on those cast where director matches. Avoid repeating The Godfather. Type card was red on the last row, so target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 1972 and has a slightly higher IMDb rating than 9.2 within 0.5, with no confirmed overlaps from The Godfather. Planet Earth is a very highly rated TV series and should quickly test whether the answer is in the top-rated documentary/nature space while following the TV constraint and not repeating the previous title. Type card is green for the guess Planet Earth Roman 2, which is a TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is within 2 with an up arrow, so the target is slightly newer than 2017. Rating is within 0.5 with a down arrow, so the target rating is slightly lower than 9.4. Overlap shown, no green genre pills, so documentary is not on the target. No highlighted actors, so David Attenborough, Gordon Buchanan, and Chadden Hunter are not on the target. No highlighted directors are shown. Constraints: the answer is a TV series, likely from 2018 or 2019, with IMDb rating just below 9.4 but within 0.5, and it is not a documentary. Avoid repeating Planet Earth Roman 2. Type card was green on the latest feedback, so target medium equals TV series. The target appears to be a 2018 or 2019 TV series with IMDb rating slightly lower than 9.4 and not documentary, which strongly points toward prestige scripted miniseries territory. I'm guessing Chernobyl next because it is a highly rated 2019 TV series and should sharply test the year and rating constraints while avoiding the previous title. Type card is green for the guess Chernobyl, which is a TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is same, 2019. Rating is same, 9.3. Overlap shown, green genre pill drama, gray or no highlight genres history and thriller are not on target. No highlighted actors, so Jesse Buckley, Jared Harris, and Stellan Skarsgård are not on target. No directors are shown as overlaps. Constraints: the answer is a TV series from 2019 with IMDb 9.3. It includes drama, is not history or thriller based on this row, and it does not include those listed actors. Avoid repeating Chernobyl. Type card was green on the latest feedback, so target medium equals TV series. The news row indicates an exact match on year 2019 and rating 9.3, with drama overlap and no overlap for history, thriller, or the listed Chernobyl actors. Band of Brothers is a strong elimination guess among top-rated TV titles because it is dramatic, but should quickly test whether the target shares war or ensemble traits versus being a different 2019 prestige series. Type card is green for the guess Band of Brothers, which is a TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is farther with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2001. Rating is within 0.5 with a down arrow, so the target rating is slightly lower than 9.4. Overlap shown, green genre pill drama, gray or no highlight genres action and history are not on target. No highlighted actors, so Scott Grimes, Damian Lewis, and Ron Livingston are not on the target. No directors are shown as overlaps. Constraints: the answer is a TV series, newer than 2001, has IMDb rating below 9.4 but within 0.5, includes drama, and does not include action or history from this row. Avoid repeating Band of Brothers. Type card was green on the latest feedback, so target medium equals TV series. Prior feedback still anchors the target near 2019 with IMDb 9.3 and drama overlap from Chernobyl, but the current visible row is older and less precise, so I want another strong 2019 plus top-rated TV test that could reveal genre direction or exact hit. Blue Eye is a very highly rated TV series and a different candidate that can quickly confirm whether the target is family animation versus live-action drama. Type card is green for the guess Blue Eye, which is a TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is same, 2018. Rating is same, 9.3. Overlap shown, green genre pills animation and family. In actors, David McCormack and Melanie Zanetti are green overlaps. Directors panel shows no visible overlap information in this row. Constraints: the answer is a TV series from 2018 with IMDb 9.3. It includes animation and family, and it has at least David McCormack and Melanie Zanetti in the cast. Avoid repeating Blue Eye. Type card is green, so target medium equals TV series. The latest feedback row is fully green with exact matches on year 2018, rating 9.3, genres animation and family, and overlapping actors David McCormack and Melanie Zanetti, which means the guess Blue Eye is the correct answer. The result card is already visible with celebration effects, so I will stop rather than make any further guesses.